to the Prep Pursuit. I'm Deborah Walton, a modern etiquette, image, and style expert. As a consultant at the Poise Pursuit, I serve busy professionals around the world, helping to elevate their companies, careers, and lifestyles. You can learn more about my services at thepoisepursuit.com. Today's video is about bridal shower etiquette. I have tips for both the bride and guests in attendance, so let's go ahead and get started. Now, typically, bridal showers are hosted by the maid of honor, and what it means to host is not just coordinating the details of the event, but also footing the bill. Whoever hosts the bridal shower is the person that pays. So it could fall on the bride, the bride's family, the bridal court. It could fall on the maid of honor. Whatever you all decide, whoever hosts also pays. Now, what you need to keep in mind is that everyone on the guest list for the bridal shower should be invited to the wedding. You certainly don't want to offend someone by inviting them to the bridal shower, but not the wedding. So be sure that you are confirming the guest list before sending out the formal invitations for the bridal shower. The best time to host a bridal shower is at least 2 months or 1 month before the date of the wedding. In some cases, you can host a bridal shower closer to the date of the wedding, but in most cases, the typical time frame is 1 to 2 months before that occasion. Now, there's this trend going of couples hosting the bridal shower, and so it's called a wedding shower if your fiance is going to be in the room. This is perfectly acceptable and appropriate, but it's no longer a bridal shower if there is a man in attendance. So it's a wedding shower if the couple hosts and they enjoy having that party and that moment together. As a guest for a bridal shower, if you can't attend the event, it's common courtesy to send a gift. Now, the registry information should not be on the invitation, but on the invitation there should be a link to the website where you can find more information about where the couple is registered. So you want to send a gift in your absence if you're not able to attend a bridal shower. There are times when you may be invited to more than one bridal shower. It's completely appropriate and acceptable. So in that event, you would take a gift to the first, but not all the different bridal showers that you are invited to for one particular bride. It is becoming more common for brides to host more than one shower, so the proper protocol is for you to bring a gift to the first bridal shower that you attend. Lastly, this tip is for both guests and the bride-to-be. When you're deciding what to wear to a bridal shower, you want to be tasteful and appropriate. The other attendees in the room may include family members, and especially if they're older, you don't want to wear something to a bridal shower that would be much more appropriate for a bachelorette party. So be tasteful and appropriate in what you're wearing to a bridal shower. Now, if you're new to the channel, I hope that you subscribe. I share new videos every single week about how to thrive personally and professionally. I enjoyed you stopping by the channel today. I hope you found this etiquette advice helpful as you are either hosting or attending a bridal shower. And I look forward to seeing you again in another video. Bye for now.